Hello, traders, and welcome back to another day trading with the VIP team. I'm going to talk about the US dollar and what I'm looking at on the US dollar after yesterday's rate hike. So, yesterday, the Federal Reserve decided to hike rates for 0.75% or 75 basis points. That, my friends, was the biggest hike or rate hike, I'm sorry, uh, of the past 28 years, if I'm not mistaken. So basically, what the Federal Reserve is saying is that they don't give one fuck about the stock market or Nancy Pelosi's stocks. But what they are doing is just fighting head on inflation with every tool in their arsenal. Now, rate hikes are bullish for the currency. So I'm looking for US dollar longs. And I mean, if you follow me and if you trade with me, you know that I am or have been a US dollar bull for the better part of the year, if not the entire 2022. So basically what I'm looking at here is those USD loans. And I'm going to tell you where I am planning on getting in. So first of all, let's have a look at the daily chart, just as always. Remember that we were looking at that massive move from January lows, and this pullback where a ton of sellers got trapped was just a pullback towards those April 2020 highs, right? And this is where we took some longs on the USD, but we are now looking for new longs, given the fact that Powell also said that more hikes are coming in the next FOMC meeting. So, yeah, this year. If we look at the 4-hour chart, we are going to be able to see somewhat the structure that I'm looking at to trade on this market. Basically, the US dollar is holding with my bias. I'm not getting in just yet because getting in right now has absolutely no edge, right? But as long as this zone that I'm going to point out holds, I am a US dollar bull. Basically, I'm looking at the May 2022 highs and the bottom of that rejection, right? So basically, this is my zone. The one that I just pointed out is my bull zone, bull bear frontier. Actually, if price breaks to the downside, I'm not going to be a bear or I'm not going to look for sales. But I need price to hold to this level. Now, let's have a look at the lower time frames, and this is pretty much what I'm looking at right now. Again, these zones or these lows around the 104.63, 104.60. Let's call it 104.60, right? Is holding, and we got these highs that actually were just a fake out of the previous day's highs or June, I'm sorry, the 14th highs. That, my friends, was a very, very quick stop hunt on those momentum traders or breakout momentum traders during the FOMC meeting, right? So basically what I'm looking at here is scenario number one. It bounce towards these lows to try to get some very cheap and good and massive risk to reward ratio opportunities, or I need a break of the 105.80 price holding the 105.80 and then looking for those longs. This is, my friends, my no trade range right here. And yeah, those are my two bullish scenarios, and I'm looking for buys and buys only. Now, should you want to get in on my trades, there's a link below this video where you can subscribe. And I got a little secret for you. Only if you watch until that now, if you use the code YouTube, you're gonna get a 10% discount. Have a great trading day, guys.